Hi everyone, we hope the kids were delighted with the happy tooth.
Now, today we'll be using a laminated activity sheet of a pair of hands that we've sent across in the box to teach the children the importance of keeping their hands clean. Now, keeping in mind the current times, we'll be teaching the children how to use a hand sanitizer in the correct manner and why it should be used and how it should be used.
This activity will work on the self-independence and development. It will teach them what germs are and how to keep them away.
So, let's get to the activity. Sadik, what are these?
Hands.
Yes, these are hands, right? And what is this on the hands? This brown and black things, you know? These are germs and dust and dirt on your on these hands. You know how do these germs and things land up on your hand? When we go out, when we touch new things, when we play, we get dust and germs on our hands. So we should always wash our hands, right? Show me, how do you wash your hands? How do you wash your hands? Do rub and show it to mama. Yes, you wash your hands like this.
Daddy.
And you should also sanitize your hands. You know, nowadays,
Daddy.
I explained to you now, there's a pandemic going on. So we should always wash our hands, sanitize them with a sanitizer. Okay? Yes, Tracy is making sounds. See, now Mama is going to pour some sanitizer and Sadik is going to wash off these hands with the sanitizer. Okay? See. Now you'll see the hands will become clean. Come on now, Sadik. Rub these two hands. Yes. See? Rub with on this only. Yes. Now the hands are getting cleaner, no? Very good. Keep rubbing. And then you will wipe these hands with a...
Nothing.
Very good. Okay, now time to wipe. Come on, take. Wipe the hands with the napkin. Your hands also and then these hands also. Okay? Wipe these hands also with the napkin. Take. Wipe these hands with the napkin. Acha chalo, Mama will teach you how to. Okay, you will wipe na? Very good. Very good boy. Wipe it properly. You should not see any dirtiness or any germs anymore, huh? Yes. Wow. Clean. See? So what did we learn today? We learned that we should always wash our hands and we should use a sanitizer. Okay? In today's times, we should always use the sanitizer when we go out of the house to keep ourselves safe. Understood? Very good. So parents, as you saw, this is how you do the activity. We'll be using this sheet that we sent you. Okay? You'll use sketch pens and draw dirt, germs on it, and then you will use a sanitizer, which I'm sure we all have in our houses in these times especially. So you'll use a sanitizer for your child and then help him learn how to use a sanitizer. Teach him the importance of using the sanitizer via this activity. It's a pretty simple and self-explanatory activity, but it's a very useful activity to teach your child the importance of keeping his hands clean, the importance of washing them, the importance of sanitizing them. So keeping in mind the current times, you've used a sanitizer. You can repeat this activity after a few days and use soap instead, and then teach them the importance of using hand soap to wash their hands every day. That way, it's reusable soap. You have no issue with that. Okay? That's all for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.